Okay, we'll start semi-article derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Under that, short subarticle, that is, we will see problems on this important formula. Already you know this formula, tan inverse of a plus minus b divided by 1 minus plus ab is equal to tan inverse plus minus tan inverse a plus minus tan inverse b. Already you know this formula, tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. If plus sign is in numerator, then minus in denominator. If minus sign in numerator, plus sign in denominator. Right? So tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus ab is equal to tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. And if I take minus sign in numerator, plus in denominator, tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus ab equal to tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. So we'll see some problems on this formula. So it's also important. Problem can be asked in board exam on this formula. So first problem, y equal to tan inverse in bracket 8x divided by 1 minus 15x square. See problem. So I have to put in this form. What is formula? Tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. Note that in denominator second term is 15x square. In denominator first term must be 1. That is formula. In denominator first term must be 1. So here we factorize 15x square such that their sum must be 8x. In denominator there is minus sign, then definitely in numerator must be plus sign. Denominator मध्ये plus असेल तर numerator minus असतं. Denominator मध्ये minus असेल तर numerator मध्ये plus असतं. So I have to factorize 15x square such that their sum must be 8x. So very simple. So we write y equal to tan inverse 8x divided by 1 minus factorize 15x square. Simply we can write 15x square as 5x into 3x. 5x into 3x is 15x square, right? And we know that 5x plus 3x nothing but 8x. So I have to write in that form tan inverse in bracket this 8x can be written 5x plus 3x, denominator 1 minus 5x into 3x, and this is in the form of formula. Which formula? Tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus a into b, and we know formula tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. लेफ्ट साइडला प्लस असेल तर राईट साइडला प्लस, लेफ्ट साइडला न्यूमरेटर मध्ये मायनस असेल तर राईट साइडला मायनस साइन. त्या ठिकाणी प्लस आहे. सो बाय फॉर्म्युला वी गेट हियर tan inverse 5x plus tan inverse 3x, and this is y. And now we can take derivative. So by chain rule we can take derivative. Derivative of tan inverse 5x, 1 divided by 1 plus 5x square and multiply by derivative of 5x. Derivative of 5x nothing but 5 only, plus second term derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 3x square, and the derivative of 3x is 3, and thus we get answer as 5 divided by 1 plus 25x square plus 3 divided by 1 plus 3x square means 9x square, and hence solution completed. So very simple method. Note that formula. Second, y equal to cot inverse in bracket 1 plus 35x square divided by 2x. We know formula for tan inverse, so we can convert cot inverse into tan inverse by using property. Cot inverse can be converted into tan inverse by taking reciprocal of the angle. So 2x goes to numerator and 1 plus 35x square goes in denominator. So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket 2x divided by 1 plus. Now we have to factorize 35x square such that their difference is 2x. In denominator there is plus sign, then definitely in numerator must be minus sign. So in numerator there is difference. So factorize 35x square. So factors are 7x
7
into
and 5.
5x, right? 7 minus 5 means 2. And write in terms of formula tan inverse. This 2x can be written 7x minus 5x divided by 1 plus 7x into 5x. And this is in the form, standard form, tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. So we know formula tan inverse a means 7x minus tan inverse b means 5x. And now take derivative. So dy by dx is equal to derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 7x its square and multiply by derivative of 7x, that is 7, minus second term derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 5x square into derivative of 5x is 5, and thus we get 7 into 1 means 7 divided by 1 plus 7x square 49x square minus 1 into 5 is 5 divided by 1 plus 25x square, and this is the answer. Next number, third, y equal to tan inverse 2 root x divided by 1 plus 3x. The solution. So y equal to, we have to keep in terms of standard formula, y equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 root x divided by 1 plus. Note that we have to factorize 3x such that their difference must be 2 root x. Plus sign in denominator, that means minus sign must be in numerator. So we have to write 3x in terms of this 2 root x. So we can write here like this. How we can write? 3 root x into root x. Can I write? Here 3x we have written 3 as it is. Root x into root x means x. And in the in this next step we can write, we have
Sir,
factorized 3x as 3 root x into root x. लिहिता येईल ना असं? लिहिता येईल ना
sir,
3x ला?
हा सर,
हा बोला.
डिफरन्स आहे ना ते.
हो सर.
हो ना, हो ना.
हा
डिफरन्स हा
सर
2 root
लिहिता
x
येते.
आला पाहिजे. लिहिता येते ना आता पहा, 2 root x ला आपण असं लिहू शकतो का? 3 times root x minus 1 times root x. लिहिता येईल ना असं?
यस सर.
3 root x
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 root x म्हणजे 2 root x. आणि डिनॉमिनेटर सेम असेल 1 plus 3 root x into root x. And this is in the standard form. हा आता फॉर्म्युला आहे की नाही? Tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. And now apply formula. So it is equal to tan inverse a means 3 root x minus tan inverse b means root x. And therefore derivative dy by dx, first term 1 divided by 1 plus 3 root x square and multiply by derivative of 3 root x, 3 constant, and the derivative of root x we know 1 upon 2 root x minus second term derivative 1 divided by 1 plus root x square and multiply by derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So it is equal to, simplify this, write 3 in numerator, in denominator this 2 root x write first, and in bracket this 1 plus 3 root x square means 9, root x square means x, minus numerator is 1, denominator write this 2 root x in bracket 1 plus root x square means x, and hence this is the solution.
Sir,
Next, हाँ बोला.
नेहमी त्याच्यामध्ये आपण फॅक्टर पाडतो तर डिफरन्स 2 आला पाहिजे का जे न्यूमरेटर मध्ये आहे ते आला पाहिजे.
जर खाली प्लस असेल तर वर डिफरन्स न्यूमरेटरला जे आहे ते आलं पाहिजे, मायनस असेल तर वर प्लस. डिनॉमिनेटरला सेकंड टर्म जे आहे ना त्याचे फॅक्टर्सचे ऍडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन वरती आलंच पाहिजे, येतच ते, तीच ऍडजस्टमेंट असते त्या फॉर्म मध्ये.
ऍडिशन
हे लक्षात घ्या, फॉर्म खाली प्लस असेल तर वर डिफरन्स, खाली मायनस असेल तर वर प्लस. फॉर्म्युला तसा आहे ना, फॉर्म्युला त्या टाईपचा आहे ना. हा बोला, काय प्रॉब्लेम?
नाही सर, कळालं.
कळलं ना? हा. तर फोर्थ पहा, y इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स, एकच फॉर्म्युला आहे, त्यावर सर्व डिपेंड आहे. 2 to the power x plus 2 divided by 1 minus 3 into 4 to the power x. See a solution. First we simplify. So y equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 to the power x plus 2 can be written 2 into 2 to the power x, right? Base same, sum of indices. Index 1 आहे आणि x आहे. Sum of indices 1 plus x, sorry, 2 to the power x plus 2 can be written 2 to the power काय लिहिता येईल, स्क्वेअर लिहिता येईल ना, 2 स्क्वेअर. ठीक आहे. 2 to the power x into
हो सर.
2 square, 2 plus x, that is x plus 2. Addition पहा, 2 plus x means x plus 2. And in denominator 1 minus 3, 4 to the power x can be written 2 square its power x, right? 2 square its power x, so it is equal to tan inverse 2 square means 4, 4 into 2 to the power x, denominator 1 minus 3, 3 4 to the power x, 2 to the power, in numerator 2 to the power x is there, so we can interchange 2 and x here. Can write like this, 2 its power x and power 2, one and the same. This 2 and x can be interchanged, right? Then can we factorize this? Just a minute. So see here, same problem. Solution, y equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 to the power x plus 2 can be written 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power x, base same, sum of indices. In denominator 1 minus 3, 4 to the power x can be written, 4 means we can write 2 square its power x, right? So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 square means 4 into 2 to the power x. In denominator 1 minus 3 into, so what do we get here, 2 to the power, we can write like this, we can interchange this 2 and x, meaning same, 2 to the power x square same as 2 to the power 2 its power x. So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket 4 times 2 to the power x divided by 1 minus 3, 2 to the power x square can be written 2 to the power x, right, into 2 to the power x. We can write bracket square hai, so write separately. And now we can put in standard form like this. We can write like this, 3 into 2 to the power x one term and 2 to the power x is second term. So can we write numerator 4 into 2 to the power x, 4 times 2 to the power x can be written 3 times 2 to the power x plus 1 time 2 to the power x, denominator 1 minus 3 into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x. Very miscellaneous and important problem. And this is standard form. Now check देर इज नो चेंज. आपण एक्स्ट्रा असं काही घेतलेलं नाही, फक्त त्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिलं पहा. 4 टाइम्स टू टू द पॉवर एक्स म्हणजे काय, 3 टाइम्स टू टू द पॉवर एक्स प्लस 1. 3 टाइम्स प्लस 1 टाइम्स म्हणजे 4 टाइम्स टू टू द पॉवर एक्स. इन डिनॉमिनेटर 1 as it is minus we have written 3 into 2 to the power x in one bracket and 2 to the power x in second bracket, and this is standard form. Apply formula tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus a into b. So by formula we get here tan inverse a means 3 into 2 to the power x plus tan inverse b means 2 to the power x, and this simplification, and then derivative is dy by dx, derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 3 into 2 to the power x square and multiply by derivative of 3 into 2 to the power x. Similarly, second term, derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x its square and multiply by derivative of 2 to the power x by chain rule. So it is equal to, here derivative 3 constant, derivative of 2 to the power x same, and multiply by log 2, that is standard formula. Denominator 1 plus 3 square means 9 and 2 to the power x its square, right, same, right, plus derivative of 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x into log 2, and denominator 1 plus 2 to the power x its square. Okay, now you can take common if you want. 2 to the power x log 2 outside, 2 to the power x into log 2 common, and in bracket this 3 divided by 1 plus 9. Note that 2 to the power x square means you can write 4 to the power x also. Directly you can write 2 to the power x square means 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x log 2 common, so numerator is 1, and denominator 1 plus 2 to the power x square means you can write 4 to the power x, and this is the solution. Okay, 4 to the power x right or 2 to the power 2x लिहिता चालतं, काय problem, no problem. Note that 4 to the power x means 2 to the power x square. This means 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x, and this means 2 to the power 2x also. You can write 2 to the power 2x or 4 to the power x, one and the same. Important and miscellaneous problem. Next number, fifth. Y equal to tan inverse, same type, in bracket 2 to the power x divided by 1 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 1, same as above. First we simplify. Y equal to tan inverse in bracket 2 to the power x divided by 1 plus. Second term can be written 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 1. Base same, sum of indices 2x plus 1. So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket. Here denominator 2 to the power 2x and in numerator 2 to the power x. So write denominator in that form. Second term 2 times 2 to the power 2x means we can write 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x. Power is 2x, so x plus x 2x, and this 2 as it is. And now write in terms of formula. If we combine this and if we separate this, here 2 times 2 to the power x minus 1 times this means we get this numerator, plus in denominator, then minus must be in numerator. So we can write like this: 2 times 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. 2 times minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 2 to the power x. Denominator 1 plus. We have to write in terms of formula. 2 into 2 to the power x is suppose a, and here b means 2 to the power x. And that is in standard form. You can compare with formula tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. There is no change. फक्त आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केल्या दिलेल्या प्रॉब्लेमला काही चेंज केलेलं नाही. 2 - 1 म्हणजे 1. And by formula, here tan inverse A means 2 times 2 to the power x minus tan inverse B means 2 to the power x. And then take derivative. So dy by dx, derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 2 into 2 to the power x square into, by chain rule, multiply by derivative of 2 into 2 to the power x minus second term 1 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x square and multiply by derivative of 2 to the power x. So 2 constant, derivative of 2 to the power x is same into log 2 standard formula, denominator 1 plus 2 square 4 into 2 to the power x square, right? Minus derivative of 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x into log 2 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x square. Also here you can take common as 2 to the power x into log 2 outside the bracket, and in bracket what do we get? 2 divided by 1 plus this 4, and 2 to the power x square can be written, you can write like this: 2 to the power x square means 2 to the power 2x also, minus, here we get 1 plus 2 to the power x square means you can write 2 to the power 2x, or you can write 4 to the power x also, and hence the solution completed. So these are important problems. See carefully. हे सर्व इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लेम आहेत आणि सर्व प्रॉब्लेम परीक्षेला आलेले आहेत बोर्ड एक्झाम मध्ये, कधी ना कधी विचारलेले आहेत. y इक्वल टू कॉट इनवर्स a स्क्वेअर मायनस 6x स्क्वेअर, हे सर्व मिसलेनियस प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत. डिवाइड बाय 5ax, also important. The first step, we know formula for tan inverse, so we convert cot inverse into tan inverse by taking reciprocal of the angle. So 5ax in numerator and denominator is a square minus 6x square. Note that whenever tan inverse is there, we know formula, so you have to keep in that form. So note that in formula, what is formula? Tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus a into b. So note that in denominator first term must be 1. दोन्ही फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये फर्स्ट टर्म ही 1 असली पाहिजे. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी 1 पाहिजे, तर 1 येण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल? आपल्याला या ठिकाणी a स्क्वेअर ने डिवाइड करावं लागेल न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनॉमिनेटरला. So we divide both numerator and denominator by a square because of formula. So 5ax divided by a square, we divide each term by a square. A square divided by a square, we get here 1 minus 6x square divided by a square. Because of formula, in denominator first term must be 1, so we divide by a square and then simplify. Tan inverse in bracket 5, here 1a cancel and we get x divided by a, in denominator 1 minus 6 x square upon a square can be written x upon a square, right? Then tan inverse in bracket 5 times x divided by a, denominator 1 minus. We factorize 6 such that their sum must be 5. Factors of 6, we know that 3 times x upon a into 2 times x upon a. See factors, 3 into 2 we get 6, x upon a into x upon a square, and see here addition, 3 plus 2 we get numerator. So only we have to write in that form. Tan inverse, so 5 times x upon a, nothing but 3 times x upon a plus 2 times x upon a, that is numerator, and denominator same, minus 1 minus 3 times x upon a into 2 times x upon a, and this is formula. Tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus a into b. Now apply formula. Tan inverse, here a means 3 times x upon a plus tan inverse b means 2 times x upon a. And now take derivative dy by dx. Derivative of first term 1 divided by 1 plus 3 times x upon a its square, and multiply by derivative of 3 times x upon a. Simply the derivative is 3 upon a constant and derivative of x is 1. Similarly, second term derivative 1 upon 1 plus 2x upon a square into derivative of 2 times x upon a, that means 2 upon a constant and derivative of x is 1. And thus we get in numerator 3, denominator this a, in bracket this 1 plus 3 square 9, x upon a square means x square divided by a square, plus second term 2 divided by, write this a, in bracket 1 plus 2 square 4 and x square divided by a square. Right? That is the answer. Or you can take, if you want, you can take LCM. After cross multiplication, a square goes to numerator and 1a can be cancelled if you want. After LCM, how to get? A square goes to numerator, 3a square, and the denominator is a, in bracket cross multiplication 1 into a square plus 9 x square. Similarly, a square goes to numerator, 2a square divided by a, cross multiplication a square plus 4x square, and 1a can be cancelled here and we get 3a, 1a cancel, 3a divided by a square plus 9x square plus 1a cancel and we get 2a divided by a square plus 4x square. After simplification we get this, or you can put answer in this form also. Right? Solution completed here also. So solution completed. Next number, y equal to tan inverse in bracket a plus b tan x divided by b minus a tan x. Note that whenever tan inverse is there, या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम आला की तुमच्या माइंडमध्ये फॉर्म्युला आला पाहिजे, tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus ab, tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus ab. That means in denominator first term must be 1. हे लक्षात घ्या, डिनॉमिनेटरला फर्स्ट टर्म 1 असली पाहिजे. and for that what we have to do here, काय करावं लागेल, b ने डिवाइड करावं लागेल. प्रत्येक टर्मला b ने डिवाइड केलं म्हणजे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी 1 मिळेल. So divide each term by b. First term, second term b cancel, we get tan x, denominator b divided by b 1 minus divided by b, so a upon b into tan x, and we get standard form already. Tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus a into b. Directly we get standard form. A means suppose first term, b means suppose second term, and directly apply formula here. Tan inverse a means a upon b plus tan inverse b means tan x here, right? And we can simplify this. Tan inverse a upon b always constant, and second term tan inverse tan cancel, we get simply x, and take derivative. So dy by dx equal to first term, derivative of first term, what we get? 0, because a and b are constant, and derivative of x is 1. And what is the answer? Answer is 1. Right? 8 number. This is also important. Miscellaneous problem. Y equal to tan inverse in bracket 5 minus x divided by 6x square minus 5x minus 4. Here in book minus 3 is given. That is the wrong problem. Check केलेला या ठिकाणी -3 दिलेलं आहे पण ऍक्च्युली काय -4 आहे. -3 दिलं तर फॅक्टर्स पडत नाहीत. सो मेक दिस करेक्शन -3 च्या ऐवजी -4. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लेम. मिसलेनियस y इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स in bracket 5 minus x divided by, we have to factorize. This is quadratic equation. 6 into -4 means -24, right? Factorize -24 such that their sum is -5. What are factors? -8 and +3. -8 plus 3 means -5. So denominator can be written 6x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 4. So it is equal to tan inverse, sorry, make a correction, -4, okay, -3 is given, right? So -3, so we can write here -3 as -4 plus 1. Can I write? First write this 6x square -5x minus 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 1. Or we write like this, tan inverse, numerator same as 5 minus x. Drop this step and here 6x square minus 5x minus 3, and because of formula, we know formula in denominator first term must be 1. So write here 1 plus 6x square minus 5x. Okay. And -3 is there means we have taken +1 here extra. We have to cancel this +1. We take -1 and this -3. -4 is there. Okay. No change. -4 plus 1 means -3 as it is. So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket 5 minus x divided by 1 plus. And now we factorize this quadratic equation like this, same as. We can write 6x square, factors are -8x plus 3x minus 4, right? So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket 5 minus x divided by 1 plus. In bracket, we take common here from first two terms. What is common? 2x common. In bracket 3x minus 4 plus from these two terms 1 common. In bracket 3x minus 4. So it is equal to tan inverse in bracket numerator 5 minus x and denominator 1 plus. We can take here 3x minus 4 common, 3x minus 4 common, and in second bracket this 2x, and this common means plus we get 1 here. So these are factors, right? Note that these factors, so plus sign in denominator, and definitely difference of these two factors must be in numerator. ते असायलाच पाहिजे, असतंच पाहिजे. दोन फॅक्टरचा डिफरन्स वरती असला पाहिजे. तर तुम्ही सेकंड फॅक्टर मायनस फर्स्ट फॅक्टर केलं तर काय मिळतं पहा. If you write here tan inverse, second factor is 2x plus 1 minus first factor is 3x minus 4, right? And denominator same, 1 plus 3x minus 4 into 2x plus 1, and we get standard form 5 minus x we have written in terms of these two factors. फक्त मी काय केलं, सेकंड फॅक्टर मायनस फर्स्ट फॅक्टर केलंय. तुम्ही आता सिम्प्लिफाय करून पाहिलं पहा, 2x minus 3x काय येतं, -x इज देअर. हे 1 आहे आणि मायनस मायनस प्लस 4 होईल. 4 plus 1 means 5. So no change. So we get standard form. Tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. Right? येतं ना? इंटरचेंज करू शकतो आपण हे फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड. So get form tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. And now we can apply formula. So apply formula here. So what we get here? Therefore, y equal to tan inverse. Here a means 2x plus 1 minus tan inverse b means 3x minus 4. Okay. Forget this. And therefore, now you can take derivative dy by dx is equal to derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 1 its square and multiply by derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2 only. Derivative of 1 is 0. Similarly, the second term, derivative 1 divided by 1 plus 3x minus 4 its square and derivative of 3x minus 4 is 3, and thus we get 2 divided by 1 plus. Don't simplify this, keep as it is. This is final answer, minus second term 3 divided by 1 plus 3x minus 4 square, and that is final answer. Solution completed here. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.